Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I go with the buyers right now with this huge margin of safety. I believe this candle should like something like this, a hammer, and they need to reject it because we are at the support area, and also we got this gap down here starting from this buyer's entry. So I believe the market should start going up now. I hope we win this trade. I will look to other pairs. I've also detected this little QM right here before starting to record the video. It has also the trend line. If that reaches there, I will explain it one more time. Let's see if we're going to win this. Come on. 2, 1. Beautiful. That was a winning trade. Now, I will look for other pairs. And today, it was, the market is not looking good, to be honest. I'm not really seeing that movements very nice, but I will try to take best possible trades. Okay, this is our job as a trader, to only look for the best trades we can, right? I do not see beautiful trades today, unlike the previous session, which was very nice. See that the market's just weirdly moving. All right. All right. I have to take this for 2 minutes. Let's go. We're going to go with the market's direction today. And yeah, go with the buyers. Major uptrend, minor uptrend. It didn't really come down for the QM, but we had also this opportunity here. You can see first touch, second touch, third touch has been broken, this resistance area, and this trade was takeable, which we didn't take. I'm adding one more time for 2 minutes. There's no reason for dropping right here. I will check the other pairs. I'll try to go with the market flow. Okay, this is a ranging market. It's reacting from this QM, and the market's general movement is to the upside. It has been inside of this price channel, and now it's about to break that. Okay, after this broke, I will go for 2 minutes, no, 3 minutes. Let's go. Today I decided to just take 2 or 3 minutes because I do not see good setups. Okay, the market is so weird today for taking 1 minute trades. Look at that. Now, so many people will draw this and consider this as a doji. I would take sell, sell, sell. They're going to just lose. When the market is bad, just try to go with the direction of the market. Detect the major trend, detect the minor trend, okay, and go in the direction of that. There we go. What is this? Major trend, ranging market, okay? And then broke the range. This was the point that the market decided to break, okay? Price comes up here to retest this. It drops, and now we hit the QM buy right here. Okay, QM looks like this, QM buy, and now this one exactly like that. We go with the buyers because we had this price channel broken. Okay, I went for 3 minutes on this one. All right, first 2 trades has been closed. I'm not going with the sellers still because we can just keep going up forever, right? Because it's not a very strong resistance right here, and the market's just uptrend. Okay, I'm not going to go against the trend ever. Now, let's see if we're going to win this trade. I should have waited a bit more for this one, or maybe entered at the pullback. Let me just see. All right, I'm entering for one more trade on this one. Let's go, just to secure this one. And this is a 1 minute angle. I could have gone to the lower time frame on this one and entered the very nice, there we go. This was the beautiful entry. See, this is a demand area. I could place my entry right here, but unfortunately I didn't do that, and that's fine. Okay, this would be my entry if I was a little careful on this one, but that's fine. We're going with the market flow. Okay, all right, first trade has been closed, and now the second trade is going to win, and it will cover the previous loss. And also, it created this beautiful doji for us. I'll switch back to 1 minute. Yes, it's on 1 minute. After this one broken, I will take the trade. Okay, so finally we got a 1 minute trade today. Okay, we're just going to be flexible as possible. If we're not getting enough setups for 1 minute, we're going to take 2 or 3 minute trades. This is a QM. It's a very huge QM. I will check for the engulf. We have the engulf at 10 minutes, but the entry is not in the engulf, so the QM is not valid. Let me see. Alright, the trade was a winning trade, but this one is not broken yet. So I'm waiting for this doji to be broken. If we create a ranging market after this doji, I mean, if we get the candles like this in a small range, this doji is going to be super strong, okay? But if we break it now, it could be just a swing doji and market keep going up because the market's direction is also uptrend, you know? It's not uptrend yet, but it seems it's trying to change the direction. We don't know yet, right? The price is coming to this QM, but I don't see this QM a valid QM because you see that the engulf is here, the zone is down here in the shadow. You know that when we have the zone inside of the shadow, we do not consider this as a nice QM. So I'm just going to ignore this. It might work well, but I'm just going to ignore that. Okay, let's just check it. Okay, yeah, this is the supply. Okay, which it touched the supply, but I wouldn't take this because it's not meeting my rules. Okay, it would be a winning trade, but I'm not into it. Let me check this one for you guys. This is another QM. See that? Low, high, low, low, high, high. QM zone for me. And now I will check the engulf. I don't see. Alright. I see the engulf in 5 minutes. Right? So this is our engulf. But look, the zone is inside of the engulf's body. If you look at the previous one, the zone is down here. Okay, so this one is valid and the previous one is not valid. I will check the lower time frame for possible demand area. I see a demand area right here. Okay, we got a demand area down here and also we have one right here. Okay, if we were waiting for this one, we probably would miss this trade. But if we took the risk and take this as a demand area, we would win the trade for sure, okay? Yeah, it closed above that, right? So I will just keep looking. Alright, look at that. This is the same doji that we took to trade somewhere here, okay? Now you see that the candles are building up this range. It's getting stronger and stronger, this doji, okay? So if this candle, by any chance breaks this, I will take the sell for the next one, right? Also from the downside, it's even better. If it breaks this from the downside, I will take the next candle with the buyers. And now it's breaking from the upside. It's against the market. Look at that. It's so obvious, right? Market was in a ranging market previously, right? It broke the range, created this decision point. Market came to retest that decision point. I'm pretty sure if we check this area in the lower time frame, we will find where the market touched and dropped, right? Let me just take this trade first. You see every single candle has shadows, so it's better to just wait for margin of safety. Let's go. If it goes up, I will add more, okay? Because every single candle has shadow here. We can expect a shadow on this candle as well. Something like this. So entering somewhere here would be nice. Let's see if it's going to go up. Alright, it didn't go up. So let me just go to lower time frame. I want to check this zone right here. I want to see, okay, where it touched before dropping. If it hasn't touched a supply area for drop, it means that, hold on a second. Yeah, there we go. It touched exactly this little supply right here. You see that? It's a fresh supply. It touched that and then dropped in the decision point. Okay, I take 2 trades. All right. Yeah, the first trade was a losing trade. This doji, like I said, it was a swing doji apparently, but I took double trade on the next candle. Hopefully they're gonna drop, and yeah. And I was talking about this one, right? The decision point where respected support been broken. Okay, price retouched that supply area and then dropped to this QM buy down here. This is a QM buy. Okay, and after that it's going up after breaking this price channel. Okay, you know that when we have a price channel like this, broke up, pull back, it's going to keep going up. All right, so now this doji break right here, this was against the price's general movement, right? This one, but we took it anyways. But we want to trade it on the next candle. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, I will try to. Yeah, this is the QM that we were talking about. I will try to find a good one. Oh, hold on. Okay, this is a QM. See that? This is a QM for me. It has also this trend line perfectly lining up the QM zone. See that? Low, high, high, and then broke the previous low. So this is a QM for me, right? Just like the previous one, which was a QM buy. Low, high, low, and then high, high, QM buy, and then again, same thing. High, low, low, QM sell, okay? So the price is just moving between the setups. If you look at here, high, low, low, again, the price has actually touched the QM right here. It dropped, okay? And now if the price comes up here, it will react from this one as well, right? So we see 3 QMs right here. That's very beautiful. I'll draw every single one of them, right? The funny thing about this, both of the QMs have that trend line. Look at that. This trend line for this one. I will draw for this one as well. Hold on a second. I'm sorry. This one. Oh, this one is not touching the trend line. But anyways, this is still beautiful, right? Yeah. So I will just check for this one to see if there's an engulf. Yes, we have the engulf. And the zone is pretty much inside of the body of the candle. We will find the entry because the entry is important to be inside of the body. All right, this is the entry for me. If the price comes up here, I will enter 100%. I will set some alarm here. If the price comes up here, I will take the trade, right? Let's see, we got another QM right here, which is reacting from exactly that QM. Let me see. All right, I see some dojis, a couple of dojis, 2 dojis here. Oh my god! But this can be a swing doji, just as the previous doji we took, right? Because we don't have proper ranging market for this one, unless we come down and touch this QM. I will take the trade. Okay, we have also this failed supply here, which will be a demand area, exactly lining up with the QM zone. So this area is an area for buyers to just get into the market. I will risk it, okay? I will risk it and I will take this trade. This is a beautiful QM area, which has the trend line as well. All right, let me just draw that shit. Oh my god, which one? All right. I hope it closes exact. Let's go. I got 2 trades on this one, beautiful. If it comes down, I will add it up. Because it's closing exactly on the trend line. We got this beautiful gap down. Oh my god, look at that. Gap down. Nice. We're breaking 2 dojis here, right? Got the QM. That's very nice. And let me just see where it's touching. It would be very nice if it was like closing somewhere here. That would be even better. Like closing here, imagine. and the next candle opening from here with a gap down, it would be fine. It would go like this, I swear. It would go up like that. That's nice. Yeah. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, please drop a like for me and let me know in the comments. And also make sure you join the Telegram channel using the link in the description. I'm done. Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.